La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Pour me champagne, love me insane. Flowers and chocolate in the
Hello friends, I hope you are having an excellent day or an excellent evening wherever in the world you are. It is again a weekend day in Paris, France, and as you saw, we just had our breakfast and we are still in our Turkish breakfast era. Now I am in my home office because I'm doing some editing, as you see, and I got for myself a matcha. You might remember this little cup. This is from Nespresso, and it was one of my Christmas gifts that my Minosh kindly gifted to me. So while having this matcha, I am going to show you a few stuff that I bought, and they just came, and we will open this together. You might remember in my, not the previous one, but the video before the previous one, in which I share a few French pharmacy products. I shared with you with my opinion. I did very much like that products that I already gone through, and I ordered again some of them, and also there are some new products that I'm going to put in a test from the same brand and the same line. So let's open this up together. This is the box. There it is. The brand calls SVR. It's a French brand. So in my previous video, you already saw this one. This cream that I actually showed you. I hope you can see. This one basically I do use under my sunscreen. So what it does actually, it's regulate this sebum that causes by the sunscreen. Please go and check this video. I'm gonna put the link down below so that you can understand what kind of skin type I have and what would be my humble suggestion when it comes to skincare products, because I don't want to push anyone to buy anything just because I'm talking here. I'm not a dermatologist. I didn't study cosmetic chemistry, so I don't know what does mean all this. All I know that it works for my skin type. So this is sebum regulating anti-enlarged pore, oily acne prone skin, spots, pores, shining. So this is what I do use under my sunscreen. And while I was browsing on the website of this brand, I saw this intensive corrector, spots, blackheads, anti-marks, and it's again for acne prone skin and severe imperfections. There it is. I hope you can see. I'm gonna leave the links down below. So this formula is not a cream, it's written active gel. So I will put this on try. And I also ordered again from the same line. This is anti-imperfections cleanser, purifying, unclogging. So it is again for oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. So I'm gonna show you like this. What I'm seeing here, there's a different how to say, design here. I do like it. I don't know if it's really practical, but I like how minimalistic it is. Look at this. So let's smell this. Generally speaking, this brand, they don't use any kind of, you know, scent in their products, but it looks really clean to me. I do really like, and I do love clean smells. I wouldn't mind if there's a little bit scent which smells just clean. So let's open this together. I'm a little bit scared because I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay. It smells clean. Please, 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 Esfer, please make a perfume from this scent. Please make a perfume from this scent. I am a tiny content creator on YouTube. You maybe don't know even I exist, but somehow if you see this video, please make a perfume from this scent. It smells clean. Oh, it smells perfect. So this is what I ordered, those 3 products. And also, if you do order something from the website of this brand, you can get some samples. You have 3 samples to choose. So what I choose actually exactly the same products. If I'm not, no, not exactly the same. Actually, this one is exactly the same, the new product that I ordered. And this one also from the same line again, and it's a anti-blemish, marks and wrinkles. Is it the same? Let me check. No, it doesn't look like any of this. Okay, anyway, so it's written wrinkles, so it's something for wrinkles too. And also I wanted to give a try this little SPF Cicarit Plus cream. It's 50 plus. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can. Why I do order this little samples, because when I travel I use them and they are very handy. So that's it, all I have. What we are going to do now, I'm gonna do a little bit editing and then, and then I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna use those products to get ready for the day. And what we are going to do actually today, I think today we will stay at home because I really need to stay at home. I feel tired a little bit. I want to do some small simple things that going to make me happy in my house, and that's it. Yesterday when I came from work, I saw that actually there are little cherry tree already gave a lot of cherries, so I'm gonna maybe harvest some cherry today and you know, maybe take a peek at my garden a little bit. What else? Oh yeah, Minnosh already went to do a little bit grocery shopping because I need to get ready for the week. What I do wash and organize all fruits and vegetables beforehand for the week so that we can eat a little bit, you know, healthy vegetables, healthy fruits, because when you have a corporate job, you don't have time actually to do all this thing. But anyway, it is what it is. So this is everything that we are going to do today, but today I am going to feel good. Today I am going to feel good. Repeat with me, my friends. We are going to feel good today. So please feel good today. Okay, just a quick reminder, you can watch this video in Turkish as well because I do exactly the same video in Turkish too. So if you would like to watch the Turkish version, just go to playlist and choose the same video or the other one as you wish. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video, like this video, say hi to me in the comment section down below. I really would like to know you, so don't be shy. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Juliette Pinar. Nice to meet you. I'm here just to, share my little French lifestyle with you guys. So I will see you in a bit. But meanwhile, first, I'm gonna do a little bit editing and then we are going to get ready for the day.
When I wake up early in the morning and when I come home at night, everything is covered in darkness and the sun is out of sight. I guess I'm living
this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence.
Friends, I have finished everything and I just rushed from home and came to the park because Minosh is going to be participating in a concert, open air concert, because now it's the music festival period in Paris, and yeah, I'm here to support him.
Une météo exceptionnelle, ni trop chaud ni trop froid, et nous vous avons préparé un concert.
Tout pourri ou c'est pas tout pourri?
Comment?
Le concert, c'est tout pourri ou c'est pas tout pourri?
C'était très bien,
Ouais.
Bravo, bravo, c'était très bien. Et ça t'a plu?
Oui, j'aime bien, ouais, c'est sympa, ouais. T'as une bonne ambiance, tout sympa.
Right, friends, we just came from the concert. It was really beautiful. The weather was beautiful. It wasn't cold, it wasn't hot. There was a little breeze and everything was perfect. The sun was shining. I would like to show you a few items that I got while I was visiting flea market in France. As you know, in France we have like kind of flea markets, vintage markets, antique markets, but generally speaking, it's like combining all three markets actually, because when you said like antique markets, I think it's a little bit pretentious because not everything is antique. Antiquing is something different. It's not because something is like 30 years old that it's gonna be antique. It's different. I think vintage is same as well. There's like nuances between those terms, but I hear people use these terms very, you know, like just like that without knowing what they are. So anyway, I didn't film because that weekend it was raining and everything was gray. I found three items that I truly love and I would like to show you. One of them is this huge basket. I do love this. This is so cute. It's beautiful. Look at this. And I paid only 3 euros for this one. I'm gonna put this either beside the fireplace or maybe in my greenhouse. I don't know yet. And also I bought this beautiful book. You may saw this already while I was, you know, washing and organizing my fruits and vegetables. This is a soup book. Actually, the recipes in it quite easy to do and they look delicious. This is a kojak soup with cream in it. There are also a few summer soup that I would like to show you. For instance, this one. This is rosé wine soup. And then we have here Bandel wine soup with cherries. Yeah, it looks really nice. I think it's very beautiful just to put on my, aisle in my kitchen, which I don't like to color, but I think this book goes with it very well. And the other book that I found is this one for my greenhouse. If you are following me since the beginning of my channel, you may already know that I do love everything related to citrus family, which means all type of lemons, mandarins, oranges, everything. So look at this beautiful picture here, and there are some information about that. It's so beautiful. For the moment, I opened this page in my greenhouse and it just makes me happy, this color. And what we have, let me show you some others. Oh, okay, look at this. When it comes to winter and autumn season, I can open and expose this page. Those are the, what is this? Different type of châtain. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at this. All those grapes. As you know, I do have a grape tree, and when they will be ready to harvest, I'm going to expose this page in my greenhouse. And here what this looks like again. Those two books were only €3, so I got them and I'm very, very happy with them. Okay friends, unfortunately it's the end of our weekend. I wish you a very pleasant week ahead, and I would like to kindly remind you, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my vlogs, like them, and most importantly, please say hi to me in the comment section down below. I really would like to know you. Okay, have yourself a pleasant evening and I will see you next week. Bye!